Hey guys, it's Tiffany here and baby Nova. So today's video is going to be how I do my 1-year-old's hair. I get a lot of messages asking what I use on her hair, what I put in it, and everything. So I decided to do a routine on her hair on how I do it. And so yeah, if you have any questions about it, you can let me know in the comments or any advice or anything on how I can do better or whatever. She is my first daughter, so I didn't really have to do hair. Well, besides Chance, he did have hair for a little while, and the routine is kind of similar. But anyways, if you want to see what I do, then keep on watching. Yeah.
So today I'm going to be shampooing and conditioning her hair with the Argan Oil of Morocco by Organics. Okay, once I'm done washing and conditioning her hair, I get her out of the tub and dry her off as well as her hair, and then I apply her product. So the product that I'm going to be using today is the Kinky Curly Leave-In Conditioner and the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, which I've been using for years. It's my go-to. But I'm going to show you guys a few other products that I've used on her hair before and sometimes switch it up. But 99% of the time, or 90% of the time, I use the Kinky Curly products. Okay, so I always start off with the leave-in conditioner. As you can see, it's like almost gone, but I'm going to take some in my hand and just apply it all over her head. And now I'm just going to take this wet brush and detangle her hair in small sections. Her hair in the back is still very short, but I still apply product on it and I still detangle it. And then so next I take a little bit of the Kinky Curly Curling Custard and I apply it all over her head versus doing it in sections because I don't want to weigh her hair down, and the Kinky Curly can definitely do that. But I definitely like how it makes it look shiny and it holds her curls. And then a lot of times I'll just leave it like this and let it air dry and keep her hair out. But today I'm going to put it in ponytails, so you'll see how I do that. Alright y'all, I am not the best parter. I am working on it. So don't judge me. I'm trying, but this is how I part her hair, and yeah, I'll part it and then put one side in like a little bun until I start to work with it. So it's pretty simple. I just detangle her hair into a ponytail, and then I take my brush and flatten the hair down and I wrap it in the soft scrunchie, and that's pretty much it. I do the same thing to the other side. And again, I told you guys her hair is short in the back and it can't fit into a ponytail, so I just kind of leave it out. Well, I do leave it out and it looks like a half up, half down ponytail kind of style. I am also not a pro at baby hairs, but I try. I use this toothbrush and the Eco Styler gel. Sometimes I'll switch it up and use a different edge control, but today I'm using the Eco Styler gel. And then I just kind of brush her little baby's hair out and swoop them to the side and call it a day.